first, let's do my nighttime routine. I start usually with my toner. So as for my face, facial wash, I don't have a facial wash because I use sulfur soap. I don't know what it is. Like yung yellow na for something else. This is brand new. Tinanggal ko pa yung mismong seal. I just make them dry enough. I actually use retinol, but I'm afraid kasi baka yun yung nagtitrigger sa pimples ko lately. So I'm trying to avoid retinol for now. By the way, if you hear any noise, that's my electric fan. Grabe dito yung pimples ko in this part. I'm done. Next, I will use this Lux Organics Whitening Repair Ultralight Glow Moisturizer. Actually guys, I seldom use moisturizer kasi I'm scared of a lot of products lately. Nga nasa harap ako ng electric fan. Just to let you guys know lang. Mga kasasabihin nyo, hala, kakatunan mo lang, and then you're using moisturizer agad. Okay, I'm done. Then I let it dry lang for a bit. Once it's dry, I usually grab this Pimple Warrior from Bare & Bliss. So this is my second day using this product. And I just get a Q-tip. Get a mirror pala. I'm not sure if it's allowed ba na twice a day maglagay nito, but hindi ako nag-makeup lately just so I can put this on my active pimples. Ayan. Okay, I think that's enough. I usually use the Q-tips. And this is the second day. And here it is. Saan talaga effect siya. Yun lang.